Hello friends. In this session, we will discuss Linux cd command in detail. You can use cd command to change the directory in Linux using the command line. Let's jump to the practical and see how we can use it. Before we move into the command line part, let me walk you through GUI first, and see how to list files and directory using GUI, so later it will be easy for you to understand the command line part. So, here I am on my Linux system, and I am logged in as a Janik user. To see the list of files and directories, you can click on this Activities. And click here on Files. As this is Janik user's home directory, it displays a list of directories like Desktop, Documents, Pictures, Video. These directories are automatically created when you create a user. Let's move to the Desktop directory. It is empty now. Let's click on the Home directory. This time let me open the Pictures directory. It displays a few files which I have created before, but now how to check this using the command line. For that, let's open the terminal windows by clicking here on Activities. And then Terminal. Terminal is opened. I will keep the command line and GUI both open, so it will be easy for you to understand. Let me adjust the screen so that you can see both the screens together. Let's run the first command on the terminal to check in which directory we are. To see that, we will use the pwd command. It shows I am in the /home/janik directory. Now, I will run the ls command. This command is used to display a list of all files and directories in the current directory. Here it shows the same folder list as in GUI. As you know, using GUI, you can move to the Pictures directory by double-clicking here. But what if I want to change the directory using terminal? In that case, we can use the cd command, and after cd command, you have to provide the directory name, which I am going to provide Pictures. Make sure you run enter command after each command completes. Okay, I moved to the Pictures directory. Let's verify using the pwd command to confirm we are in the correct directory. Perfect. We are in the /home/janik/pictures directory. ls. Here it lists all the files which are present in the directory. It shows the same list, which is here in GUI. As we are in the /home/janik/pictures directory, can we say /home/janik is the parent directory of Pictures directory? Yes, because Pictures directory is inside /home/janik directory. Perfect. This time, I want to move one directory back, that is /home/janik. So, I will use the command cd ... When you specify the ... it moves you to the parent directory of the current directory, and which is /home/janik here. pwd. Perfect, we are in the /home/janik directory. As you know, Linux directory structure starts from /. So let's change directory to /cd, and directory name is /ls. It displays a list of all the directories, which we have discussed in our Linux directory structure session, like bin, boot, home, root, tmp. Let me change the directory to var. cd var. ls. Now, let's change to this log directory. cd log, pwd. We are in /var/log directory. Now, before we run the next command, first I will check my logged in username, and here it shows Janik. And Janik user's home directory is /home/janik. Just keep this in mind. This time I am going to run cd command, but I will not provide any directory name as an option. Let's run and see what happens. pwd. We are in the /home/janik directory. So always remember, if you give enter after cd command, you will be redirected to the user's home directory. If you see here, we were in /var/log directory before we run cd and enter command. Let's move to the same directory. Here I will run command, cd and path is /var/log. We provide complete path and single command, pwd. We are again in /var/log directory. Now, let's use one more option with cd command, and this time we will use cd space, and instead of directory name just provide tilde key. pwd. It shows /home/janik directory. So, either you give cd enter command, or you give cd tilde, you will be redirected to the user's home directory. Mostly we will use cd and enter. But when you are working on Linux scripting, at that time it is not possible to give enter, so we can use cd tilde. If you see here, we were in /var/log directory before we ran the cd and tilde command. You have to use cd/var/log command if you want to change the directory. But this time we will not provide this command. Instead, we will use one more option with cd command, cd and dash pwd. Great. We are in /var/log directory, even though we didn't provide that path. So remember, cd and dash command always move you the previous working directory, where you are working. ls. Let's move to Anaconda directory. cd Anaconda. pwd. We are in Anaconda directory. cd and this time, I will give only single dot. As you know, cd space dot dot is used in moving to the parent directory, but what happens here? Let's run and see the effect. pwd. See, we are in the same directory. Dot means current directory. It never changes the directory. So where is it used? We will see a few use cases of dot in upcoming sessions, when we will copy and paste files. Let's use cd dot dot. pwd. We are in /var/log directory, which is the parent directory of Anaconda directory. What happens if I again use cd dot dot? Obviously, we will be redirected to /var directory. And what if I use dot dot second times? Then the directory will be changed to /, which is the parent directory of /var. Let's see the effect. pwd. We are now in / directory. So we jump 2 directories in single command. That's it for this session. We have discussed all the important options which can be used with cd command. I have mentioned a list of all the commands which are executed in this session. Friends, if you do appreciate the content I bring, please like, subscribe and share my channel. Your appreciation is my reward. Thank you.